When working with any sensor, I always like to disconnect the battery terminal. You're going to be reprogramming and clearing codes anyways, so better safe than sorry. The sensor is located on the tunnel in front of the center console and indicated by the red arrow. Remove the single T27 torque screw holding the carpet trim piece in on both sides of the center console, red arrow. On the right side, disconnect the wiring harness for the power port by squeezing in on the two tabs, red arrows, and separate the connection. Pull the carpet back and you can see the sensor and connection, red arrow. Use a 10mm socket and remove the two nuts holding the sensor in place, blue arrow, one on each side. Slide the sensor out. Squeeze in on the tab on the electrical connector and separate the wiring harness, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.